Guys, welcome to KCA, and in this video I'll be showing you how to trade on Telegram. All right, I know someone is wondering, is it possible? Yes, it's possible. So let's dive into it. So click on Telegram. When you click on Telegram, you go to settings. When you go to settings, then go to wallets. Actually, you can trade on Telegram and make money just like you do on other platforms. But for now, they have a wallet, not an exchange. Don't forget, wallet is totally different from an exchange. There is more you can do on an exchange than on a wallet. But nevertheless, you can still trade there and make money. All right, so let's go into. So when you click on wallets, this how it works exactly. I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about this. So this is transfer, this deposit, this withdraw, this exchange. This account is a new account. I've not even finished setting it up. But nevertheless, I'm going to be using to explain something to you. So for instance, let's assume I have some USD on this platform right now. I can actually transfer from my wallet to any Telegram contact, to anyone on Telegram. Maybe I have a friend that's using a Telegram, that's using Telegram right now, and I want to send assets to him. I can actually send from my Telegram account to him. I can send him $50, $100, $100, $1,000, and the likes with ease by just having his Telegram handle. So you just use the Telegram contact. So maybe I want to send to this person right now. I'll just click on anyone right now. I can send assets to the person with ease. So that's how that works. So let's go back to wallet so that I take you through the. Then the next thing is deposit. You can either deposit directly by depositing crypto or using what they call the P2P exchange. So you have two ways you can use to deposit. Number one, like you can see here, you can deposit crypto deposit. Maybe you want to deposit from one wallet to another. So you can deposit, enter a phone number. I've not verified these accounts. I've not verified. You have seen all of that details. So you enter the crypto wallet and deposit from other exchange. They're going to show you their own wallet address. Then you enter, then deposit. Then stablecoin will be created as USDT. You can also do this as well. Or you go through P2P exchange directly. What is P2P? Blah, 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 blah. So don't worry. That's just by the way. So it's going to show us their own P2P. No, we are not becoming a P2P merchants. Buy. So you're going to click on buy, like you want to make a deposit here, you get. So you can buy dollar here, you can buy any coin of your choice here. Aside from dollar, you can buy gram, you can buy BTC, you can buy ETH, you can buy Notcoin, you can buy all these guys right here and deposit them on your wallet. So that's that on the deposit part. So let's go back to the main page where we are. So you can make deposit, then you can also make withdrawal. Maybe you have an asset, you know you can only make withdrawal when you have an asset. You get either sell to your bank card directly, maybe to your bank account directly, or P2P extras or P2P markets or external wallet or exchange. You get. So maybe I want to withdraw some of my BTC here to my Bybit or to any of my other app. I can actually do same here as well. So that's how that works. So let's get more into it. So that's how that works. Then exchange, maybe I want to swap maybe a particular USDT to a particular coin, maybe USDT now to maybe gram or another coin or XRP. She get, I can actually swap maybe from, I want to swap from my USDT to Ethereum. She get, I'll just maybe 20 US. I don't have any USDT here. That's why I say insufficient for normally. I can actually switch it. She get. So that's the purpose of this exchange here. Then these are dollars. I mean, it's telling me the current dollar rates in Naira right now. Then perpetual. Then these are the crypto, different crypto on the exchange. They also have stocks and ETF. That's amazing. That's really amazing. They have stocks and ETF, which is very rare. I think it's just currently that crypto app started listing stocks. Amazing to see them having stocks and ETF on their platform. ETF is exchange traded funds. So it's amazing to see them having that on their platform. So let's see some of the stocks they have and see. Okay, no results yet. All right, maybe they've not listed them. Oh, maybe they've not listed them. So these are different crypto they have at the moment that you can actually trade on their platform. You can buy, you can sell, you can hold anything you want to do with any of this coin. It's actually available on their platform to trade with. That's big kudos to Telegram. So right there, when you are done with that, these are perpetual. They also have perpetual. You know, perpetual is futures trading. So they also have their own perpetual trading as well. Just click continue, 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 continue. Then you can see them here. I think they are perpetual. You can trade all these up to 50x, up to 25x, leverage, Ethereum, get. These are all of them right here. So let's assume maybe Bitcoin, for instance. So you can long or short. Wow, that's amazing. So instead of going to Bybit and lines, guess you have a huge Bybit. You can actually do that on Telegram. You can long, you can short. That's amazing. I think I'll do a whole video on this alone where I can actually teach you how to long and short, how to trade futures on Telegram. You see that video? Maybe I'm going to do that. So you can short, you can long right here, and that's super amazing. That's super amazing. I think there's something that is missing on their dashboard at the moment, maybe due to network glitch, but I believe that should be there also. I've seen it there before this video, so I don't know why it's missing at the moment. There is a place where the roads end. Aside from wallet trade, there's also another one where the roads end. So that one, this is where you can actually stake. You always see, maybe when you come back later, you always see end. That's where you can actually stake on their platform. You can stake any coin of your choice and earn APY, annual percentage returns. Instead of just buying to hold, why not stake? That's what I used to advise my students. Don't just buy to hold any assets. Instead of buying to hold alone, intend to stake the asset. So while you are holding the currency, you are still making money. So that's that we have there. They also have their DeFi account. In case I want to open a DeFi account, I can open a DeFi account with them. So now let's go to trade and see what we have on the trade app. Let's see how it works. So you can see on the trade, these are different coins that you can actually, these are trading perpetuals, trading futures trade that people are trading right now. And these are even gold. That means instead of going to XNext and the likes, connecting your XS to your MT5 to your likes, you can do it right here. Is that okay? That's okay, and you'll be okay. All right, guys. So these are different products they have: stocks, ETFs, perpetual, get. So I've explained crypto to you. Stocks, they don't have them listed yet. ETF, not yet. But perpetuals, they have them listed. And this is their own heat map. They are showing us what's happening in the market in the last 24 hours and how the market has been on their own side of the game, how the market has been. So you can see their heat map, you can see what is happening right there. So ETF, stocks, and the likes, you can see everything right here. So these are right AI coin that they have at the moment that people are buying, that people are trading with. Most traded, these are the most traded coin they have at the moment. You can see these are top gainers, these are top losers on their platform, just like you see on other exchange. This is amazing. Telegram is doing amazingly well. They deserve a big kudos for this. So guys, I'll be making more videos on this, a whole lot to come. We want to teach you about the futures trade, the spot trade on Telegram. But the only way we can get that done is by you sharing this video, liking this video, dropping a comment on this video. So when I get more views, if I can get more views, like maybe 1,000, 2,000 views on this video, then I can consider making more videos and practicing, doing it practically, funding the account, doing a practical trade setup for you to understand more. And if you want me to even do that for you, why not just drop a comment in the comment section? If I have enough comments, I promise to do that video. Maybe how to trade futures on Telegram. So if I can get like maybe 10 comments on that in this video, I'm going to do that video for you, how to trade futures on Telegram. So guys, this is exactly how the app works. These are top gainers, these are top losers, and these are all the ones you have. Then here we have rewards. This one is if you are trading maybe for rewards and the likes, you're subscribed to wallet rewards and the likes. These are different rewards that you can actually earn. I can also navigate this and tell you more about this. But basically, the few ones you need to know right now is earn, trade, and the likes. And don't forget, guys, for some of you who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, we have a gift for you, and you need to subscribe to get the gift. So what you need to do right now is click on subscribe button right on the video. Right now, when you do so, then come to our YouTube profile. This is our YouTube profile. Click on the Telegram link. When you click on Telegram link, it's going to bring you to our Telegram page. Then click on the profile. You will see the me link to chat me up directly on WhatsApp to collect your gift. This is a package crypto gift we have designed for you. It entails signals, how to trade, and the likes. So to get the gifts, click on subscribe button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, then screenshot it and send to me on WhatsApp. Then I'll send you the gift right away.